Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send ETH from Bitget in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that Ethereum is a powerhouse, and Bitget is one of the hottest exchanges out there. Whether you're trading, staking, or just moving your assets around, sending ETH securely is a must-know skill. By the end of this video, you'll be doing it like a pro. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Bitget account set up and some ETH in your wallet. If you don't, head over to the Bitget app or website and create one. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet section. This is where all your assets are stored, so look for the Ethereum tab. It might be under Assets or Wallet Overview. Bitget's interface is pretty intuitive. Now, to send ETH, click on your ETH balance. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Select that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address. Crypto is unforgiving if you get it wrong. Next, input the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated gas fees, especially with Ethereum's updates in 2025 making transactions even more efficient. After that, review your transaction details carefully. Bitget will show you a summary, including the total cost. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll need to verify this with your two-factor authentication for security. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. Use Etherscan or Bitget's tracker to confirm it goes through. The whole process should take just a few minutes. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay safe from hacks. And in 2025, with new privacy features on Bitget, make sure to enable any enhanced security options. That's it. You've just sent ETH like a boss. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.